Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? And welcome back to the channel. I know today is Tuesday, but no tool video tonight. I did not have time to go out and grab anything or have anything shipped to the house. I kind of forgot about it until about 2 hours ago, and I just didn't have time to go and get anything. I'm limiting myself, like I've said 100 times in the past, of where I go. I really don't want to have to go out too many places, so at this point in time it's having stuff shipped to the house or stuff that I may have here. I did get some work done on the second gen today. Not much. I just tore some things off, just a little bit of stuff like that. Not really much. I'm running out of room, and the garage is filling up. This mower is not going to be here long. I picked that up from my son and daughter-in-law. They just purchased their first home, so I picked that up for them for a little housewarming gift. That way he can mow his grass and keep everything nice and tight. And if you can see, everything is just kind of packed in here. The four-wheeler engine is out at Brent's house to get the cases split and fixed up. There's a little sneak peek of some parts that came in for the second gen, so that's one of the things that's going to be changed. Good old air dog, buddy. Get rid of the facets on there. Anyway, I wanted to show you something on the engine itself. I'm thinking now, and give me your thoughts down below. I'm thinking now that I'm going to pull the head. I did, like I said, clean it up, do some pressure washing, and it's pretty dirty. When I pulled off the fan pulley, that's just 4 bolts right there. There's just a little bit of silicone, as you can see right through here. So I don't know if this frost plug was leaking, so they tried to stuff some silicone in there to try and keep it from leaking. I have no idea. So I'm thinking now, there's nothing in the rest of the head back in there. You can see the head gasket right there. It looks good. I know there's an oil port right through here someplace, so if it was leaking, I'm sure that little bit of silicone would not keep that oil from spewing out. So what I'm thinking now is I'm going to go ahead and pull the head. I got the valve cover off because I wanted to check some stuff on that and see if I can't mill that channel out of there. So I don't know. Thoughts below. What do you guys think? Should I pull the head and have it checked? The only reason I'm saying that is because I did not do valve seals when I did the valve springs a while back, a couple summers ago when I put the 103s in there. I didn't change the valve seals. I should have, but I didn't. So I don't know. Let me think. Tell me what you think. I don't know. I'm just thinking. The truck's got 215,000 miles on it. I don't know that the head's ever been pulled. It does have head studs in it, so I don't know. Just let me know. Also, are you guys interested in any type of shirts or merchandise? I have been working with my son just a little bit to get some stuff designed, other than just the shirts that I had before. I'm gonna put some pictures up now of 2 shirts and a hat thus far that I have. Let me know what you guys think in the description. If that's something you guys might like to have, I will get that stuff made, and there'll be some links in the description so you guys can pick that stuff up. It's entirely up to you. I just was thinking, I didn't know if you guys would be interested in it or not. Alright, the valve cover. I have, as you guys know, the billet valve cover on there, which is cool. I like it, but it leaks like a son of a gun. They have this channel milled in here to put an O-ring. Well, I tried putting the O-ring in there when I first got it and started cussing about, let's see, I started, I don't know, somewhere in here, and by the time I got to here, I was done. I didn't want no part of it. I tried using the factory valve cover gasket, but it would not work, and it leaked like crazy. That engine sits back in there at an angle just a little bit, and it was leaking back on the back section here. So what I'm kind of thinking is, all right, so if I measure this channel, it's about 83 thousandths deep. So if I wanted to do that, I would be taking 83 thousandths off of this edge all the way around, and down to the bottom is about 2.69 inches. And then the factory one is the same. So that's gonna take that much off of it, and it's gonna drop it. Actually, the tolerance is gonna be a little bit tighter, but as if you look at this valve cover, you can see this X pattern in here with the bracing. So if you measure that, there's only about 9 thousandths difference in that. So I don't have a straight edge with me to be able to check it all the way across, to check it right here in the center, so I need to do that. And then the center support is actually the same depth also. So 119, and it's 119. So they're the same. Everything's pretty much, this valve cover is pretty much milled the same. So it's gonna be pretty tricky to be able to mill that channel out of there. I don't know what the tolerance is to be able to tell you how much room I need in here in each one of these channels. So if I take, basically what I'm looking at is if I take 85 thousandths off of this edge, I'm gonna have to take 85 thousandths off of these too, probably. But I'm not real certain. And if I take 85 thousandths out of these centers, it's probably gonna be through. So it might just be the way that it is. A friend of mine told me to get some of that black quick shoot stuff or whatever it is, and use that. That's good and grand, but I like to be able to take stuff apart when I need to, so I don't know that if I really want to do that. So I'm gonna have to do some more checking, like I said, see what the tolerance is from this edge to these cross points that they have casted in there for some strength, and kind of see that. So that's where I'm looking at there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to accomplish what I want to do. Basically, the reason I want to take this and mill this edge off is because of I don't want to have to use that O-ring on there, and if it's a flat edge just like this, a standard factory valve cover gasket will work just fine and shouldn't have any leaks. Alright, just a short little video to let you know, or to apologize to you guys that there is no tool video tonight. I am sorry about that. Just like I said, time got away from me and didn't have time to get out there and get anything or have anything shipped in. Let me know what you guys think on this. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to be able to accomplish what I want to do. I think the tolerances are going to be way too tight as far as valve clearance. Rocker arm clearance up in these valleys. I am going to do some more checking around. I am going to go out there and measure up from my deck of my head over and see what that measures from the top of the head up to, or down inside, however you want to look at, to the top of the valve, or to the top of the rocker arms, and see what that measures, how much clearance I have, and that'll give me a good indication if I will be able to take this channel out of here or not, this groove out of here that they have milled in for the O-ring. In a perfect world, they would have not put that in there at all. I really don't know why they did that. It's just the way they've made it, I guess because of all of the, I don't know, tappy covers, they're O-rings, so maybe they tried to do it the same thing. But if you look, I mean, on a 24 valve Cummins valve cover, there's just so many turns that you have to go through to be able to try and keep that O-ring in there. It's a real pain in the ass, just to be pretty blunt about it. So anyway, I think that's pretty much going to do it. Just wanted to catch you guys up, let you know where I'm at. I'm going to be back at it tomorrow. I plan on being back out there tomorrow. Like I said, you guys let me know if you're interested in any types of shirts or hats. You saw the 3 pictures, and I don't know. I think I'm going to get me, I definitely like the VP shirt. I think that's pretty cool, and the hats are pretty cool too. So my son's doing all my drawing for me, the one that the mower's going to, so, and he has some other stuff that he's drawing up. So I'm pretty excited to see that. So anyway guys, stay happy, stay healthy. Oh, by the way, we are almost 3,000 family members strong. We're only about 91, 89, I don't know, something like that. I had to have to look again. We're at 2910 or 2911, so we're 89 family members away from that 3,000 family member mark. So you guys aren't subscribers, you're family members. Oh my goodness. Anyway guys, if you don't mind, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already done so, and we'll talk to you guys later on.